Good morning, everybody. Course name MG8591 Principles of Management. This is a 7th semester, 4th year. Topic name Introductions of Principles Management. Unit number 1 Introduction to Management and Organization. Next, going for problem statement regarding Introduction to Principles of Management. The problem statement is as the Astos Kongana was working as in Axel Limited, a company manufacturing air purifier. He found that the profit has started decline from the last 6 months. The profit has implication for the survival of firm. So he analyzed business environment to find out for this decline. I have two questions. One is identify the level of management at which Astos Kongana was working. Second, the state three other function being performed by Astos Konganas. So if anybody, you can find out the solution and then tell you whether it is right or not. There is no problem. Yes, is correct. Yes, is correct. The three functions being performed by himself. This level of outline below. He is responsible for formulating overall organization and goals and strategy. Yes, he totally right. He is responsible for the business activity and in impact of society. Yes, you are telling right. He has to coordinate the activity different department pursuit of common goals. Yes, you can write. You are telling answer is right. Next, go for the topic regarding introduction to principles of management. Next, before going to start introduction to management, we have syllabus. So first, principles of management syllabus. First unit, introduction to management and organization. Second is the planning, and third one is organization. Fourth one is directing, and fifth one is textbooks and references. These are some textbooks. For example, Stephen Robin is Mary Collier, the management practices Presentice of All India Private Limited. Is a famous one book in management principles of management. Next, going for to introduction principles of management. What is management? The management is a process of giving and controlling various activity of the people. For example, I have started journey from Coimbatore to Chennai. I have first direction and controlling. So giving direction controlling is important in every management. So that is a journey is important. So first directing. Directing means based on way, which way you can choose it, through airport or through air, through by bus, by train, or whatever may be. Okay, this is a directing and controlling and limited. Which one is limited? This is one example based on cost of price. So this is a controlling of your system. So the various activity of the people to achieve the objective of your organization. So management is a process of giving direction and controlling the various activity of the people to achieving objective of an organization. Next, what is define the management? According to the Kuntz and Wilrich, the management is the process as designing and maintaining of an environment in which individuals working together in a group and effectively, efficiently and accomplish selected aim. That means called goal. So the Kuntz is a famous author for principles of management. So is a define designing and maintaining of an environment. Suppose I start as a startup or starting a company. What are the needs? And before I would analyze this. And daily next one, daily income is most important. So these are you can implement it in your industry. You can good achieve your goal and improve your profit based on your industries. This is based on your management. Next one, in other way, defining of management. As a manager, people carry out the managerial function of planning and organizing and staffing and leading and controlling is called management. So these management. These are a way of role in managers. For example, as a manager, okay, so first I could start a company means what are the things I need. So this is a need based on that one, based on for example I would start manufacturing industry, so I need what are things, what are requirements are needed to start the company. So before I have analysis and create the chart and complete the work, planning according to the plan and organize the people and staffing the people and leading the people and controlling the people. This is a for it is called as management. Next one. This is a function management. First one is planning. Next one is organizing, staffing, directing, or controlling, controlling. So these are function of management in principles of management. Next one. So this is a function of management. First one is planning. This is a plan, and this means start and end. What are things are included that one? Planning means the process of thinking about. The planning is the process of thinking about activity required to achieve the desired goal. Next one is planning is the process thinking about activity required to achieve desired goal. This is it is the first and foremost activity in your starting of your projects. So desire means is what are the requirements needed to develop one product, or for example car, for example chocolate, for example bakery items, whatever it may be. It is involved the creations and maintain of a plan. Once a plan is created to maintain every step by step process in your system. So, such physiological aspects are required, conceptual skills are required in your systems. Next one. Next, organization is establish effectively authority of relationship among the selected work and person and work placed in order for the group of work together efficiently, or process involving dividing the work into the section of the department. For example, suppose you are going to hospital. Say if any one of the patient has come to your has entered to the hospital, first you ask the question. For example, sir, what happened? Sir, I have cough. Okay, you contact pulmonology department, doctor something. So you can department is mentioned. So each and every department to maintain your record, inpatient and outpatient in your system. So this based on organize, because for example because the main inpatient ID means example INP inpatient INP 2020 08 0014. This is the maintain your record in your record room. Whenever you next appointment, show your ID card and take the record. This is organizing of your process. So organization is established of effective authority of relation among the selected work and person and work placed in order. Example, department year wise 18, 19, 20, 21. This is the order of process a dividing work system your organization. This is a easily monitoring and control of your process. This is the organizing sector. Next one. Next, staffing. Staffing is the process of hiring eligible candidate organization or company for specific position in management. Meaning of staffing is operation of recruiting the employee by evaluating the skills, knowledge and offering the specific job role accordingly. Suppose I am a HR manager, a particular I want a person this experience much, not need much of experience. So these are already are fixed after advertisement. The resumes are coming to my table. I select the people or call the interview, and if a specific 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 persons specific persons are identified and identified and appointed appointed my role. So this is the staffing of the most important to in your organization. So next one, directing is said to be process which manager instruct and guided and oversees performance of the workers to achieve their predetermined goals, and directing is said to be the heart of the management process. So I am a manager, I instruct. For example, I am working in a hotel. Okay, example, I am working in the hotel. I enter the morning 6 o'clock. I segregate my works and given to my seniors and superiors, and works are divided by seniors, juniors. So work is completed, whether it is going on or not. I would identify based on that place. This is my predetermined goal, whether a goal is achievement or not. This is the most important my role. So this is the directing of function of management. Next one, the controlling. The last is the most important in your function of management. The controlling can be defined as the function and of management which helps to seek the planned results from the subordinates and managers at all level of an organization. The controlling function helps in measuring the progress of towards organizational goals, bring any deviation and indicates and corrective actions. The managers, as a manager, I am a manager. As already I should prepare plans. So this is accordingly the plans going on or not. This is a controlling control manager to verify whether the plan is working or not. So each and step by step the plan is checked by. If any deviation, deviation means is immediately call the department and give the feedbacks. If it is okay, you can continue that work. Otherwise, you can modify your plan and accordingly get approval from your managers. This is the process of controlling. Next one. The next one, science and art. And before going to science and art, so first this is the most important in your life. First one is planning. Second one is planning. Second one is organization. Third one is staffing. Fourth one is directing, and fifth one is controlling. This is the most important. So is a process of management. The management attain the goal based on specific goal in your success of organization. If the management cannot implement this process, you could not attain your goal and profit cannot be increases. This is the main thing of function of management. Next, going to science and art. The science and art is a two paramount difference between art and science. The first, art is subjective while the science is objective. This art is a subjective, as a science is a objective. The second, the art is express. Science is concerned with the general truths about the operation of general laws pertaining to physical and quantum world and realize on method and study and data accumulations and based on observation experiments. So these are science means this is art. Science based on if suppose the scientists are starting the process and before discuss the members how to start the project based on roadmap of that project. First, planning and organizing, staffing and directing and controlling. This is a scientific experimentation is most important in your area in management sector. In hard, the second is hard express the knowledge, most often form of the subjective representation. Science is the system acquiring the knowledge. For example, hard means not express the knowledge. For example, I have one study about that process mean I could implemented that one. Implemented is a science, and identify the knowledge is my art. That is called difference between art and science. The next one, art is which is transcend historical and culture future, and therefore has transhistorical transculture characteristics in concert with aesthetics and said to have relatively stable or core united perceptual property. That is called sign arts. Next one. The next one, activity. So this is activity, function of management. The function of management, please be identified. What are the function of management? Please be remember it. Yes, correct. Planning, correct. Yes, next. Yes, correct. Is a organization, correct. Yes, correct. Is a staffing. Yes, correct. Next one. Yeah, correct. That is one. Directing. Yes, correct. Next one. Yes, is correct. Controlling. Yes, correct. These are a function of management. Yes, correct. These are all function of management. Next one. The case study. I will show some case study PPT. This is the advantages. So advantages, you know about advantage based on your principles of management. So principle better coordination is control. With better coordination, you can control the project and achieve your profit and achieve your goal for your organization. Adaptable dynamic environment is the most important. Whatever process is given to you and adopt it and complete your process within a timely manner. Effective utilization of resources. Effective. For example, whatever resources given to you and identify whatever required, whatever unrequired. You can identify, you can use the resources in your area. Next, particular your management. Particular management, whatever management is given to you me and identify process and given to return to back in my management. Next one, sufficient time of top management. So excellence in interdiscipline or specialization and develop of team work is most important. These are all advantage of principles of management. Next one. Disadvantages. This is a violation of unity of command and costly structure and problem over specialization and particular management and difficult to balance and feeling in insecurity and lack of wide coordination. These are disadvantages of process. Next one. This is assessment. If tell me your assessment, list out the advantages, identify the disadvantages. So yes, correct. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Yes, these are assessment based on given to first assessment for your assessment for that one process. In your I record to your mark individually first 3 members. Okay, thank you. Next one. These are my references. This assessment. Next one. Already I said the case study in last PPT. That means section PPT. That means principles of management last session PPT. So they continue with that one more PPT based on case study. So MG 8591 principles of management 4th year 7th semester. A case study on grocery items stocks are ordered through mobile application for police family members. Next one. This is company name and address, Ascent Technosoft, Coimbatore, and trust area is big data analytics, industry vertical, smart city. Next one, this is my empathy part. So difficult in maintain manual and showcase in store, and lot of human resources and paper waste and more time required. That means based on waiting time. So suppose I am a police personnel, I am going to the store, police store or canteen, I am take a paper and write a number and given to a counter, the counter verify whether it is available, product is purchased. If not available, and return back to in front of showcase and complete the process after given to the counter. So my time is totally my time is waste. So that I would, this is my empathy part. So that I would develop my solution is develop on application, so that create that identify this case study. So I am going to problem statement. The problem statement, difficult maintain manual and showcase in items in store and paper based due to human resources. So whatever product I have received, I put it together into showcase. So for example, bottles one showcase and books are showcase and tumblers are one showcase, and grocery items are each and product area I can put it in store showcase in. So whatever the peoples are coming to my store and store and take a number and given to the counter and purchase my product. This time is required, paper is required. So more time is required. Paper, huge papers are waste. So that I have developed one process. The next one, my solution. So develop mobile application, grocery item arrivals and update and order the detail and send through the application family members. For example, develop the mobile application for grocery item arrival, order and updated update the product detail sent through the application family members. This is a solution for my process. That means mobile application development. Whatever product, for example, I am a police personnel. I am sitting in the canteen. Whatever product arrival, I heard planning the product. That means segregate of the product. This is a planning. The next one, organize. So organize the product. How much of quantity received? How much of quantity not received? I get verify process. This is organization. Next, staffing. So what? How many peoples are required to store in my showcase? And next one, how many members direct the people? That means instruct the people. What are the required based on my customer? I would collect the product and send to my process. Next, controlling. What are the what are the availabilities available in store? What are the required? So based on my members given to me and collect the process. These are principles of management and continue this solution. So first, once I would develop on mobile application software, I could collect the grocery item details and update that in websites as well as my mobile application. The police personnel identify the grocery items, easily identify product and put the tick mark. After say, payment through Google Pay or banking system or credit card or debit card. If he is once ordered, I pack the product and send to the door delivery to the customers. This is a solution for my empathy part. Next one, this is based on my mobile applications. Next, my methodology, database collection for grocery item and created. Second step, I create the admin and user login ID and to allocate user login for each family member, particular police personnel ID number. Each family day-to-day free-flowing details and updated grocery item verified through mobile applications. And the family members must order and payment through mobile applications in your system. This is a methodology for my empathy part. This is a this is a graphical representation of my methodology. First, I collect the database collection for grocery item and login creations, user login for each family member, in particular police personal ID numbers, and order and payment through the mobile applications. Sorry, first step grocery item, second step login creation, third step user login for each family, in particular police personal ID numbers. Next one, refilling, if whether it's available or not. So how to identify my time is secured, so that through the mobile application, whether is whatever requirements are available, verified and complete process. And refilling detail are updated grocery item verified through mobile applications, and order and payment through mobile application using a debit card or credit card, whatever may be. This is the methodology for that one. Next one, these are my benefits: reduce the time, easy monitoring stocks, and updated the details sent through a mobile application in police family members, and reduce the human resource facility and reducing the paper waste. So these are benefit for my case study. This is my